Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be talking about the MTBL angle brackets. Before I can get into that, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification button so you don't miss out on our other videos. The MTBL mass timber bracket light are ductile angle brackets that are used in different applications for mass timber construction. They come into two different series, the MTBL 90 and the MTBL 105. They're made out of 1/16 of an inch galvanized steel with a reinforced perimeter. They can be used in different CLT applications such as wall-to-wall, wall-to-ceiling, and floor-to-wall connections. Both brackets are installed onto the timber element using ASCII EcoFast 3/16 by 2 inch self-tapping screws, which are installed with AW drive 20 bits. The MTBL 90 uses a total of 20 screws for the installation, whereas the MTBL 105 uses 26 screws in total. Using the self-tapping screws are simple and easy to install compared to if you're using other systems with nails. The MTBL angle brackets are extensively tested for a performance-based approach. They have values for uplift, withdrawal, compression, and lateral. You can find detailed design capacity and system behavior of these brackets in MTC Solutions Connectors Design Guide, which you can download off of our website. This concludes the video. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again.